Welcome back to Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, The Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Crafters and makers, welcome back to the Lovely Lab. So listen, it's Sunday morning, okay? I have just gotten out of Sunday school for adults, of course. I attend my church virtually because it's actually in New York, not here in Georgia. So, perfectly happy with that. So, we're done with Sunday school at 10:30, and then Sunday service starts at 11 o'clock. So I said, let me hurry up and go ahead and do this Dollar Tree haul so I can get that done, edited, and up on the channel sometime within the next day or so. So because after service, it's Memorial Day weekend continuing, and the guys are going to drag me out and about here and there and everywhere, and y'all will be neglected. And I can't have that. I cannot have that. So I'm using every spare moment to create or handle the videos. So, it's all about you guys. Nevertheless, listen, if you're new to the channel, I want to tell you welcome and thank you for stopping by. You are more than welcome to hit that subscribe button along with that notification bell so that you don't miss any of the haul videos. I don't do a whole lot of Hobby Lobby, Michaels, Joann, and all that other stuff, but I am on Amazon often because I have to buy supplies for the business, as well as Dollar Tree, because who doesn't love a good Dollar Tree haul? Nevertheless, let me stop rambling because I ain't got but about 20 minutes left and I got to set my stuff back up. Anyways, so let me show you. I'm going to start off with the non-craft related stuff first because y'all got to know how I live my life. So Josh has never had a Pop-Tart, right? So I said, well, let me let him try these because if he don't like these, I'm definitely not about to spend $3 on a box of Pop-Tarts. Not that these are the healthiest things, but I grew up eating them. Not very often because they were still expensive when I was a kid. I grew up eating them and look how I turned out. Okay. So I want my child to experience the same things so that he can get the same marvelous and fabulous results as I. Nevertheless. Also, they had these mandarin oranges. Now, these are not cheap at the stores, and these are Livie's. So hubby likes these. I'm not a fan of canned fruits at all, but he loves to eat these at night for a snack. So I grabbed him a couple of those, and also grabbed him 4, but it looks like he already took 2 of the packages out. These are $1 at Dollar General and at the grocery store. So I just grabbed him 4 of these because he'll make a pan of these 2 or 3 times a week. Not that he needs to. He ain't got no business with that amount of sugar. Bless his sweet little heart. But, if you're going to eat them, let me go on ahead and get them. And then I got this tin because, listen, the guy will make the peanut butter brownies because they're supposed to be cookies, but he makes them in a whole sheet. He'll make them in a regular baking pan, what you would normally make a cake in, a rectangle, and he'll leave it in there on the counter. I'm like, can you cover that up or take it out of the tin? It's metal, sir. We are too old to be putting our lives at risk for, what is that? What's that? Drop in the comments. What's that illness you can get from rust if you consume rust? Whatever that is, and you need a tetanus shot for it. We're too old for that. So I've bought him several different containers, but they're either too tall or too narrow or whatever. So prayerfully, this will be the thing that helps keep that pan off my counter and prevent him from having the air exposing his food exposed to the air. Now let me move on to I bought 2 of these. These are awesome, but what I wanted to, I'm going to use one in my pantry on the floor to put the bottled water in because I don't like, from my old restaurant days, I don't like anything on the floor that should go in your mouth, whether it's packaged, bottled, jarred, or not. In the restaurant industry, you really can't have anything on the floor. It can be on a crate on the floor, but can't, I know times have changed quite a bit in the last 20 years, but I'm quite sure they haven't pulled that one out of the rule book. So anyways, but I figured this is a great size for, when we got papers and, let me see, like when I'm doing the journal, working on the journal, just a place to throw all the papers in and to create the signatures and not have it balled up like this in a crate because that's where they're sitting right now. You know, gotta think ahead, folks. Think ahead. For $1, I mean, you couldn't go wrong. So I got 2 of those, and then I also got myself this because as Josh has been on the trail a lot more this summer with his bike, now that he's riding his bike, mommy's walking out there, a little brisk walk to get that heart rate up. And believe it or not, it does a lot of good. Now, I have started also taking a magnesium and calcium supplement just to keep strength in my heart. And it has helped with my energy level too. So anyways, I mean, my God, can I go off on a tangent in such a limited amount of time that I'm supposed to be recording this haul in? Nevertheless, so small little water bottle. Okay, I'll just fill up half of it with bottled water, and then put it in the freezer. And then when it's time for us to head out, I'll fill the rest up with room temperature, the rest of the bottled water. So now, and I bought this for myself. These are lavender candles, lavender cashmere. The jars are beautiful. You see, the jars are absolutely the light lavender color. The jar is, and the smell. Oh my goodness! If y'all have been on this channel for any amount of time, longer than 6 months, you already know lavender is my go-to scent. Like I drink tea with lavender in it because it's amazing. Okay, to me. Now, the Dollar Tree that I went to, let me just say this also. When we were out and about going to the event, the Memorial's Day event that we were taking Josh to, the little carnival, we passed by this enormous Dollar Tree. And it was inside of what used to be a Rite Aid building. And you know all the Rite Aid buildings pretty much look the same. But so my husband said, you want to stop by there when on our way back? And I'm like, yeah. He was like, so that you can go in there and, where do you go? So I can go on a shopping spree. No, so I can let loose. I'm like, let loose in the Dollar Tree? Really? Let loose. You want to swing me by the mall and let me let loose? Okay? No? Okay, we'll do it in the Dollar Tree. So anyways, we stopped back by there. And I mean, they have so much variety. The store was stocked. They had 3 different cashiers on. Great frozen food section, home and bath. And anyways, and I found this beauty in the home section, the kitchen section. So I plan to use this to cover a composition notebook with. Now, y'all know this is the composition notebook that I typically use. So I'm just using this as a reference to see if it will wrap all the way around. And it will. Oh, it will. Look at that. So this might be, I'm not sure, I might have to actually hot glue it on. This will fit very nicely on there, and now I can make another journal, cover another composition notebook journal. If not, then I'll just use it as a or a TN. Let's see, for a TN. Traveler's notebook size. Let's just see here. If we do like this, and we do like this. Oh, it's basically the perfect size, especially if you have multiple signatures. No, I think I could make this into one for multiple TNs. I don't know. I'm not sure. We'll see. We'll see. Stay tuned for that. And then I found these stickers that I got one for me and 2 for 2 friends. They know who they are and they know why I got them. So I'm moving that off because they don't need to see exactly what they are. I picked up this for Josh. It's summertime, but he is not off the hook. We learn year round. Okay? We are not going to do into that summertime slide where you forget the things that you learned throughout the year. No. Because I don't want to be at your desk every 5 minutes come August when school starts back up. So this is my way of ensuring that mommy can still have time to herself while he's in class, or as much time as possible. Now, this is the thing that I am the most excited about. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize I got 5 of them. Oh no, I got 4 of them. Now, this was the last Happy Planner sticker book that I purchased on clearance from Hobby Lobby. That was from Hobby Lobby, and it was clearance for $5, as you can see. I might have already said that, but whatever. Dollar Tree had this. $1. Did y'all hear what I said? I said $1. Okay. Now, I'm not sure. This has 30 sheets in it. This has 30 sheets in it. This is originally priced at $19.99. Clearance down at $5. So let's just say on an average day that these are on sale for $8 or $9. Can y'all believe that they had the seasonal and the watercolor packs for $1 each? They had plenty of them too. And I saw a video where somebody picked up like one of the cases, probably for Happy Meals and stuff like that. And I get it, but I didn't feel comfortable getting that many, you know. I was like, let me leave some for the people in this community, because that Dollar Tree was not in my neck of the woods, but I will be going back because it's about 25 minutes away from my house. But yeah, so this is the sticker book, and so this is the watercolor. No, this is the seasonal. That's great, because you got all different seasons in here. Let's see. Got your fall and Halloween, candy corn. That's pretty. That's cute. You got some Christmas, which is awesome because I don't have any Christmas planner stickers. And as the video title says, the hidden giveaway is right here in this video. And so I bought a set for me, and it's happy birthday, summertime stuff. I really think this is so cute. This is so super cute. Summertime stuff, lots of it. Now that is the seasonal one. This is the watercolor. Okay. Now the hidden giveaway, if you would like to receive both the seasonal and watercolor sets, I want you to drop in the comments below and let me know one of two things. One, what is the best thing you've ever purchased from the Dollar Tree? Okay. Craft related or not, in terms of what, you know, if something that you got your money's worth, something that you purchased where if you would have got it over here at Walmart or Target, it would have been $10, but it was there for $1. Or if it's something that, you know, it's in a regular schmegular Dollar Tree bottle, but it works better than the products that have like Clorox or Peter Pan. You know what I mean? Like, it's not branded, but it's even better than the branded. So you have one or two options. Drop in there. What's the best thing that you've purchased? And then the second one would be, what's the worst thing you've purchased that it wasn't even worth the $1? Okay. So drop in the comments below. Also, in order for you to be entered into the giveaway, you must be a subscriber, and I have to be able to verify that you are a subscriber, so you can't be private. It can't be private, okay? Now, you can win this for yourself, or you can win it for a planner sister friend. You know, the planner community is thick. I am not a part of it. I don't watch a lot of the videos. I do follow a few people who have planner channels, but more so because they also incorporate parts of their lifestyle into it, and I like them personally, so I'm not necessarily on there for planning. Like Bev's Crafty Planning, I follow her, one, because she has a lot of spiritual content. I love her personality, and she also crafts. So while I'm not a part of the planner girl community, I do follow, because I do, you know, I'm a planner by heart, by nature, not necessarily the planner girl. Okay. So anyways, if you'd like to enter to win, drop a comment below on what was the best thing you bought from Dollar Tree, or what was the worst thing, or you can do both. You must be a subscriber, and please go ahead and hit that like button so that that's a part of the entry. Like, subscribe, comment. All right. So anyways, let me get off this channel, because y'all about to make me late for church, and I will use you guys as my scapegoat. I have no problem doing it. Okay, I'm gonna be like, they helped me on the channel, they was asking for more, you know. I won't go that far, but y'all get it. I'm about to pop off now. Until we're back here together on YouTube, guys, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative, and crafty. crafting. Bye for now.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.